さあ、沖縄で有名なのはソーキそばですね。ソーキそば。これはね、ポークリブが入ってますね。Okinawa soba is made of wheat like ramen. It's called a soba, but it's like I find it it's like a ramen. Soki is Okinawan terminology for pork liver with bones intact. That's why today's Okinawa are called Soki soba. The uniqueness of Soki soba is the broth and topping made from pork ribs. It's not a complicated noodle dish at all. The noodles are similar to ramen noodles, but with the unique flavor, the broth is taste nothing like ramen. The broth itself is actually much lighter than ramen broth. さあ、つまり、この、なんていうか、豚肉は油があると思いますが、ラーメンとスープはそんなにラーメンと比べてさっぱりしていると思いますね。I think its noodle is more lighter flavor. この肉は、豚肉は、料理してあるのでですね。で次、海ぶどう。It's kind of the seaweed, but instead of leaves, it has a little, can you see the little bubbles here? Little bubbles growing on its stem. So you can eat as it is, like, or dip in the sauce. More like a salad. あと、青森も言うんですね。これはお酒ですね。これは沖縄の有名なお酒になります。青森 is an alcohol beverage ingenious and unique to Okinawa, Japan. It's made from long grain indica rice, and it's not a direct product of brewing, but of distillation like a shochu. で、最後が紅芋タルトと言いますね。このね、芋はね、ポテトという意味ですね。芋 itself。で、紅はこのカラーを。紅 means this color indicate. A special local sweet potato called the beni imo. This potato is everywhere in cakes and bread and pastries and ice creams. So you can find it not only taruto. I picked the benimo taruto, but you can find it other products, benimo ice cream or benimo cake, cheesecake. So the famous is a benimo taruto. So this one, this one, you can see the picture of this one, which it looks like small bowl filled with purple cream, like this. It's one of, but then this is more natural color, né? So it's one of Okinawa's favorite. In addition, many products such as small ice cream or benimo chocolates are also found in Okinawa, so this will be a good souvenir from Okinawa. では、ここまでになります。